Hello all, welcome to Commerce Academic Zone. In this video we are going to learn about what is bookkeeping, what is accounting and the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. In financial parlance, the terms bookkeeping and accounting are almost used interchangeably, however these concepts are different. While bookkeeping is all about recording of financial transaction, accounting deal with the interpretation, analysis, classification, reporting and summarizing of the financial data of a business. Financial parlance அதாவது நிதி பேச்சு வழக்குல bookkeeping and accounts almost interchangeable யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the process of recording, storing and retrieving of financial transactions of a business on a day-to-day basis. ஒரு business ஓட day-to-day basisல அவங்களோட financial transaction record and store பண்றதும் retrieving பண்றதும் தான் bookkeeping ஓட process. Bookkeeping is said to be the basis of accounting, whereas accounting forms a part of the broader scope in finance. Accounting ஓட basis வந்து bookkeeping, அதே மாதிரி accountingன்றது finance broader scope ஓட part தான் accounting. The most important focus of bookkeeping is to maintain an accurate record of all the monetary transaction of a business. Bookkeeping ஓட important focus ஒரு business ஓட எல்லா monetary transactionக்கும் accurate record maintain பண்றது. Company use this information to take major investment decision. Companies major investment decision எடுக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த information யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. The bookkeeper maintain bookkeeping records. Accurate bookkeeping is critical for business as it gives a piece of reliable information on the performance of a company. Bookkeeper வந்து bookkeeping record maintain பண்றாங்க. ஒரு businessக்கு accurate bookkeeping ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. இது ஒரு கம்பெனியோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பத்தி ஒரு ரிலையபிள் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை கொடுக்குது. Next one, bookkeeping process consists of the following step: identifying a financial transaction, recording a financial transaction, preparing a ledger account and preparing trial balance. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording, analyzing, summarizing and reporting of data of financial transaction of a business. ஒரு business ஓட financial transaction ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றதும், அனலைஸ் பண்றதும், சம்மரைஸ் பண்றதும், அதோட financial transaction பத்தின டேட்டாவை ரிப்போர்ட் பண்றதும் தான் accounting. Accounting helps determine the financial position of a firm to the investors and stakeholders. Investors and stakeholders ஒரு firm ஓட financial position determine பண்றதுக்கு accounting help பண்ணுது. It helps a business in the short and long term decision making and also convey the credibility of a company to the market. ஒரு business ஓட short and long term decision making க்கு accounting help பண்ணுது. ஒரு கம்பெனியோட நம்பகத்தன்மை credibility-ய மார்க்கெட்க்கு கன்வே பண்ணுது. It is known as the language of business. The purpose of accounting is to provide a clear view of financial statement to its user, which includes investors, creditors, employees and governments. Financial statement பத்தின ஒரு clear view-வை அவங்களோட user and investors, creditors, employees and governments இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் provide பண்றது தான் accounting ஓட process. Next one, difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Definition: bookkeeping deal with identifying and recording financial transactions only. Financial transaction identify பண்றதும் record பண்றதும் தான் bookkeeping ஓட work. Accounting refers to the process of summarizing, interpreting and communicating the financial data of an organization. Summarizing, interpreting and financial data-வை அவங்களோட organizationக்கு communicated பண்றது, இது எல்லாம் தான் accounting ஓட process. Next one, basis of accounting. It is the basis of accounting. Bookkeeping-ன்றது accounting ஓட basis. It is the language of business. Accounting-ன்றது business ஓட language. Preparation of financial statement. Not done in the case of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping-ல financial statement prepare பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. Financial statement are a part of the accounting process. Accounting-ல financial statement prepare பண்ணுவாங்க. Financial statement accounting process-ல ஒரு part-ஆ இருக்கு. Next one, analysis. No analysis is required in the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping-ல எந்த analysis-உம் தேவையில்லை. business ஓட எல்லா monetary transaction-உம் record பண்ணா மட்டும் போதும். Accounting analyzes the data, create insights for the business. அக்கவுண்டிங் டேட்டாவை அனலைஸ் பண்ணுது, பிசினஸோட இன்சைட்டை கிரியேட் பண்ணுது. Person involved. The person concerned with bookkeeping is known as a bookkeeper. bookkeepingக்கு தொடர்புடைய பர்சனை தான் bookkeeperன்னு சொல்றாங்க. The person concerned with accounting is known as an accountant. அக்கவுண்டிங்க்கு சம்பந்தப்பட்ட பர்சனை தான் அக்கவுண்டன்ட்னு சொல்றாங்க. Determining financial position. Bookkeeping does not show the financial position of a business. Bookkeeping ஒரு பிசினஸோட financial பொசிஷனை காட்டாது. Accounting help in showing a clear picture of a financial position of a business. ஒரு பிசினஸோட financial பொசிஷனை பத்தி ஒரு clear picture கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு accounting help பண்ணுது. Level of learning. No high level learning required. bookkeeperக்கு high level learning தேவையில்லை. High level learning required for understanding and analyzing accounting concept. Accounting concept understand பண்றதுக்கும் analyze பண்றதுக்கும் high level learning தேவைப்படுது. Thank you.